Wazobia cultural awareness can have a significant impact on children and their future in several ways. Cultural identity and pride. By being exposed to Wazobia culture, children gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of their own cultural heritage. This helps in developing a strong sense of cultural identity and pride, which can contribute to their overall self-esteem and confidence. Cultural diversity and tolerance. Wazobia cultural awareness exposes children to different traditions, languages, customs, and perspectives. This exposure promotes an understanding and acceptance of diversity, fostering tolerance and empathy toward others. It helps children to appreciate and respect people from various cultural backgrounds, preparing them for a globalized world. Broaden perspectives. Learning about Wazobia culture expands children's worldview beyond their immediate surroundings. It exposes them to different ways of life, beliefs, and values, encouraging them to think critically and challenge stereotypes. This broadened perspective can foster creativity, open-mindedness, and a greater understanding of the interconnectedness of the world. Communication and language skills. Wazobia cultural awareness often involves exposure to different languages and dialects. This exposure can enhance children's linguistic abilities, including vocabulary, pronunciation, and comprehension. It can also improve their communication skills, enabling them to interact effectively with individuals from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Career opportunities. In an increasingly interconnected world, having knowledge and understanding of different cultures can be advantageous in various professional fields. Wazobia cultural awareness can open doors to opportunities in international relations, tourism, hospitality, language translation, cultural exchange programs, and more. It equips children with valuable skills and knowledge that can benefit them in their future careers. Preserving cultural heritage. Wazobia cultural awareness among children plays a crucial role in preserving and passing on cultural traditions and practices to future generations. It ensures the continuity of cultural heritage, preventing it from being lost or diluted over time. Overall, Wazobia cultural awareness empowers children with a broader perspective, respect for diversity, and a sense of identity. It equips them with the skills and knowledge necessary to navigate an increasingly multicultural world and contributes to their personal growth, future opportunities, and the preservation of cultural heritage.